With TED. Today, we're learning English with TED Talks.
One characteristic emerged as a significant predictor of success. And it wasn't social intelligence, it wasn't good looks, physical health, and it wasn't IQ. It was grit. Grit is passion and perseverance for very long-term goals. Grit is having stamina. Grit is sticking with your future, day in, day out, not just for the week, not just for the month, but for years, and working really hard to make that future a reality. Grit is living life like it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Ulan. I'm from Group 5 and my group member are Aufa, Sansan, Fikriah. Today, I'm going to share how digital literacy can help us elevate English listening skills in EFL context with the title From Screen to Skill using TED Talk apps to improve EFL listening. Okay. Before that, first thing first, listening is an essential skill in language learning because it helps learners understand meaning, accent, intonation, and real-life communication. However, many EFL learners still struggle due to limited exposure to authentic English, fast speech, and unfamiliar vocabulary. In today's world, we constantly encounter media on screen, videos, short clips, online talk, but for English learners, especially in countries where English is not spoken daily, this screen can become powerful learning tools when used wisely. That is why I chose this topic, that is from screen to skill using TED Talk app to improve EFL listening. In this presentation, I will introduce several listening tools, highlight the TED Talk apps, demonstrate how it works, and explain why it is effective for developing listening comprehension. Okay, after that, there are various digital tools that support listening development. For today's presentation, I will focus especially on TED Talk apps. TED Talk apps is a digital platform that provides short, impactful presentations from speakers around the world, discussing topics such as innovation, personal stories, culture, education, and technology. These talks serve as a rich listening material because they present a real English in natural context. Learners can listen to various accent, tone, speaking style, and complex vocabulary. And then, how to access the TED Talk app? Accessing TED Talk apps is a simple. Learners can export to the content through the official website at www.ted.com or through the mobile application available for both Android and iOS device. Whether in the classroom or at home, learners can easily browse various talks, choose topic they find interesting, and listen at their own pace. This flexibility allows TED Talk to support both guided instruction and independent learning. After that, don't forget to make an account and then choose the topic that you are interested in. After that, you can explore what is your favorite topic. And then let's get to know about key features of TED Talk app. TED Talk app provides several features that make it highly effective for developing EFL listening skill. The platform offers short video presentation, generally between 5 and 18 minutes long, which make them convenient for classroom use or self-study. Must talk include subtitle and full transcript, enabling learners to follow the presentation more easily. and restudy specific segment when needed. And also, TED Talks are available in podcast style audio form, allowing learners to focus on the listening aspect. The app also provide adjustable playback speed, which helps students manage fast speech by slowing it down or increasing the speed to challenge themselves later. Another important strength is that is wide variety of topic. Learners can choose talk about science, technology, psychology, education, culture, personal stories, and many others. Because there are so many terms, students are more interested and motivated to keep learning and their own. The app also includes speakers from many different countries, so students can hear different accent, speaking style, and ways of expressing ideas. This helps make listening practice feel more real and useful for everyday communication. Okay, let's I recommend activity recommendation. That is one simple class activity with TED Talks is called Watch, Note, and Discuss. First, the teachers choose a TED Talk that fits the student level. Students watch the video with subtitle and write notes about the main idea, details, and new vocabulary they hear. After watching, the teacher gives question to check their understanding. Then students discuss their answer and ideas in a small group. And finally, the teacher can ask the student watch a short part again without subtitle to help them focus more on listening. This activity helps students improve listening comprehension, taking vocabulary, and communication. Okay, let's continue about the benefit of TED Talk app. Using TED Talk app to improve listening gives many benefits because the talks are real. Students listen to natural English. They hear different accent, pronunciation, and speaking speed. This helps students understand English more confidently in real life. That is the benefit of TED Talk apps. And then let's doing a demonstrate. Now I will demonstrate the TED Talk apps. When you open the TED website at www.ted.com and then you can go into a podcast mode and choose your favorite topic. Of course, you listen in the podcast mode and don't forget for setting your playback speed control for see the level of your listening skill. Try to listen, understand, and repeat and find a various topic. And also, you can repeat, and again. That is okay. Next. In conclusion, the TED Talk app is a useful and engaging digital tool for improving English listening skill. It offers authentic English, many different topics, subtitles, transcript, and other helpful features such as playback speed control and podcast style listening. These features help students move from simple watching a video to truly developing their listening ability. So I recommend integrating TED Talk app into your lesson or daily study routine because consistent practice will help learners grow more confident and prepare for real communication. Okay, so this is the reference that I use in this presentation. And then thank you for your attention. And I hope this presentation encourages you to try to TED apps as part of your listening practice. Thank you and see you in the next presentation. Bye.